going on? In today's episode, we're heading to Dallas. Check out an Infiniti. It's gonna be getting some brakes and a battery checkup. All right, this is the whip. Gonna be knocking out the back brakes and checking the alternator and the battery, all the grounds. Putting some Duralast Golds on there, ceramics. Pretty simple procedure. Bolts for the caliper are going to be 14 millimeters. Push that piston back. They definitely got their money's worth, for sure. We're gonna check all these fluids, check the alternator, check the battery cables, check the belts. This customer said for sure they were having a battery issue. Look at that, it's just not on the terminal all the way. A lot of people don't realize also that grease actually causes a little bit of resistance also to the battery. So if it's not on there solid, that's not going to make it any better. There we go. Solid connection. Negative cable is pretty loose too, so I'll tighten that one. And we are good to go. Battery is charging as it should. Make sure I pump those brakes also. And just like that, we are on to the next one. Look who it is. Lola, what's up? You sleeping like you was working. Alright, now we on to the next repair. The next repair is a Jeep Rubicon and it has some misfiring issues, so we're gonna figure it out.